How to download your CV from LinkedIn on your mobile app. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download your CV from your LinkedIn on your mobile phone. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your Play Store and make sure that your LinkedIn is up to date. If it's not, then you will not be able to use this feature. So just make sure that your LinkedIn is up to date. And after that, all you have to do is just head over and open your LinkedIn app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, I am already logged into my account. So just tap on your profile on the top left corner. And after this, you will see the settings option at the bottom of your screen. Just tap on settings. And once you navigate your way to your settings, you will see different options like account preferences, sign-in and security, visibility, data privacy. So just head over to data privacy, and if you scroll down a bit, you will see this job seeking preferences. So just tap on job application settings. And now it will open up your job application settings, which includes save resume and application data, and then share resume with the recruiters. Now, if you've uploaded any of your resume, then you will see a file like this right here. Or if you don't have it, you can upload it from here. Now, in order to download your resume, you just tap on this 3 line and you will get 2 options, download and delete. If you want to remove your resume from your profile, you can tap on delete. And if you want a copy of your resume, you can download it from here. That's pretty much it for today's video. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.